Please, please, we can say two things.
Don't touch me. You wicked witch. Wicked witch. I will make you.
Carry your hair. Take,
Please.
take.
Don't let her go.
Remove it.
My brothers are coming with
You
police.
have to provide everything that he has spent money on. This is very wicked.
You're a witch.
Ha! God.
You are heartless. You are heartless.
Leave me.
For 7 years. You wasted my 7 years. 7 years of suffering. You are heartless.
Hello guys, it's your girl Precious Sabina on all platforms, and I'm here today with
Benjamin.
Okay, so Benjamin, this is your story, so I would like you to explain more so that the viewers too, they can understand before they put their mouth in this matter.
Yeah. It's this story and this problem is what I'm supposed to settle privately, but the matter is not even having here. That's why I want the public to know about it and help me out.
Okay.
So before I went to Canada 7 years ago,
Okay.
so I have a girlfriend that got pregnant. You understand? And I like, okay, I can't leave my visa to Canada because of pregnancy. Okay, I will go to Canada and hustle and take care of you. You understand?
Wow.
So when I got to Canada, I get fixed to work and I start working. So every month I used to send her money.
Every month
I send her money, take care of her.
Okay.
She's always on allowance.
Like how much?
I send her 400k.
Okay. Nigerian
naira.
Okay.
So
Every month.
like I just estimated it to Nigerian naira 400 because she's gonna have a baby very soon.
Okay.
So that was why I sent her money every time for her to be comfortable. Okay. Now I had the land before I left Nigeria. Okay. So I told her, okay, what can we do on this land so that when you're gonna give birth, you're gonna go to the new house. Okay. So now she had been sending me picture of houses, uncompleted building and all this shit. 6 years, 7 years, I'm back to Nigeria. Now I'm back to Nigeria. I'm trying to like contact her. Okay. She's not picking my call. She'll tell me she's here, she's there. Then I called her sister. Her sister will be telling me story. I don't know what I've done wrong. I called her sister. Her sister was there. So her sister invited me and explained a lot of things that she's in Abuja, she's in Lagos. Okay, I went to Abuja where she was located. Like she's not there again, and that was why I contacted. Like, Mama, help me follow this girl talk. I don't know. Please, I want to see my baby and see the house at least. Let me start putting things in place. Okay. You understand? That was why I contacted you.
So where have you been since?
Okay, since
you came back to Nigeria, like you have not seen her. How long now have you been
for
in Nigeria?
Like 1 month.
1 month now. You have not seen.
I've not seen my baby. Mama. I've not seen my baby mama. I've been in a hotel for like how many months now? For 1 month now.
Wow. Okay. I have been speaking with her. I've been chatting with her. I told her that I have something for her. I have a gift for her. So she told me that she will be coming to get it. So now the thing is that she does not know about you. I did not tell her about you. Nothing. I just told her that I have something for her. She has to come and pick it up. Right. She said, okay, no problem. So the thing is that you're going to hide somewhere here. So when she comes, I will follow her and talk. Then maybe when you come out, the two of you will now see face to face and just talk.
I really appreciate it. Should I go now?
Okay, go now. Let me call her. Okay. So guys, let's wait for the girl now. So let's wait for the lady. I hope this turns out well because 7 years sending me money, then they know they build house, they know CPK, no now. But she's coming, she's around, she's coming. Let me call her. Hello, hi. Amaka. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Yeah, okay, I told you I have something for you, right? Yeah. Okay, just hold on. The person is bringing it now. Okay. So, please look at this person. Do you know him? Where are you running to?
Where are you running to?
Do you know him?
Where are you running to? Why do you stop picking my calls? Why do you stop picking my calls? Why did you even block me last week? My call was much and disturbing. Do we have issue when why is women like this?
I'm sorry, we can't.
Why didn't you pick my call since?
Wait.
Why did you block me?
She's the Amaka.
She's the Amaka I'm telling you about.
Yeah, the one he gave me your number to talk. Madam, please wait first. He will explain to you. I just want to know, who is it to you?
It was my boyfriend.
He was your boyfriend? Yes. He's no longer your boyfriend?
I was your boyfriend, and you still called me last month to send you something for my baby, right? I was your boyfriend. Why didn't you tell me this? So you broke up with me alone. Why did you tell me this?
Please.
Amaka, why didn't you tell me this? I was your boyfriend. Amaka, I was your boyfriend.
I'm sorry. We can talk this secretly, please. We don't need to carry it and come here,
All right,
please.
I was your boyfriend. Where is my baby? Because if you have a baby, you're not supposed to be dressing like this. If you portray a mother figure, you're not supposed to be dressing like this. Where's my baby?
I'm sorry for everything. The baby, she's with her father.
With her father?
Jesus.
Yes, I just need to open up everything right
No,
now.
okay.
Because
With her father, are you joking? Are you kidding me?
Which father?
With her father, like I don't
the baby
understand.
was not yours. I was
Was
just
not-
playing along because I don't know. I did not have any other option. Please.
The baby you send me the picture almost every time that we used to do video calls. It's not mine. Amaka, why will you do that? This kind of thing? And I respected you a lot.
I'm so sorry.
Now wow. I don't understand though.
Amaka, I've been taking care of you, trying to put you guys in shape, and I was there hustling. Amaka, the baby is not for me. Then for who? Amaka, the baby is for who?
Why are you shaking now? At least you should be able to. Oh Jesus.
So you've been extracting money from me and be taking care of someone else, right? All right. So where is the document of the house? I believe that will console me. Amaka, where's the document of my house? Let me fucking live here.
Where is the document to his house? He said he has been
Where
sending.
is the document to my house? Let me live here.
There's-
Amaka, please don't get me hungry. The baby I've been suffering for, sending you money for every week, every month. Every time you want to collect money from me, you put me on camera with the baby. And you're telling me there's no baby. Are you mad?
You speak up now. Where is the baby?
Where is the baby?
house? Okay, she said the baby is not yours. Eh, for 7
No,
years.
she'll be joking. She'll be
I
joking.
sat down, I sat down to
She's
take care of
joking.
My mom. My mom was very sick.
Okay, I don't understand.
I sold everything.
You sold,
Are you-
you sold everything. Are you mad? Are you mad?
Jesus. Come on.
The whole also was 7 years. Are you crazy? What were you telling me? Are you out of your mind? Are you crazy?
You sold this house. Wait.
You saw what?
How?
To take care of somebody, another man. It's like you're mad. It's like you're mad. It's like you're mad. See, you better hold out to produce my house. I had a land and I paid for building.
For 7 years, you have been
You have been
sending
sending
her
me
money.
She have been
for-
sending me picture of uncompleted building.
Please, I beg, confess. Before you will run again, confess.
She have been sending me picture of uncompleted building and all this shit.
You have to pay for his house, so. What do you mean that he does? If you okay, you don't want to give him the house. At least go and show him that this is your house.
Look at the last picture she sent to me.
See, as I'm talking to you, there is no house.
Look at.
What do you mean?
I
Okay, where is
sold
the money?
everything.
You sold waiting.
I used the money to take care of my family.
Your
For how many
family?
years? But you have been collecting money from him. He said he used to send you 400k. every month.
Every month. Then she come up with the idea, let's build a house so that if I'm coming back to Nigeria, she's gonna we're gonna stay in the house. Like she don't want to give back on the roadside and live up and down. Then I've been like squeezing out my hard-earned money to put in this. See, this girl is getting me crazy, and I'm gonna break her head right now.